Ever since I was a kid, I wanna run up all these M's. I do it by myself cause I don't really need no friends. Wake up, chase this bag, ain't no sleep, do it again. All these niggas hating on me nowadays, it's just a trend. These bitches be fugazi, say they love you for pretend.
Hey, what is good, YouTube? It's KG Entertainment, and we back with another fucking banger video. You feel me? You know the vibes already. As y'all can see by the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all my pickups from the last video. So if you haven't watched that video, go watch that before you watch this one. Feel me? So we're gonna do that. How many shoes? It's about like one. It's like 7 shoes that I'm glad to unbox that I had got, or 8, one of them. And I'm gonna show y'all like a couple other things that I got as well. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. This is Vlogmas day 7, I believe. Yeah. And then for Vlogmas 8, y'all are gonna get my full dorm sneaker collection, cause I don't have all my shoes out here. So y'all gonna get the dorm collection, then y'all could get the at home collection. Tell you shit, that's valid. Subscribe. Make sure y'all give me the 600. Turn on our post notification bell so you can see when I post as well. So for the first shoe, we got some Slight, some champion slides. These were $10. So as y'all can see in the video, y'all probably seen it. So yeah, that's valid. I got these and they're valid. They're nice and comfy, and I fuck with them. Yeah, next shoe. These Johns, I like how they off-white at the bottom, and they just look like some old school, and I like that. So yeah, it's these, and I like this blue strip. Yeah, these are tough, and I like bulky shoes like I said if y'all watch my other ones. So these are nice. I like these for sure. I got all these from JD Sports. Go for Charleston. The Cardinal 7s. I was thinking about getting them, but then I'm like, nah, I ain't finna get them when they drop or nothing. But then they still had them sitting at JD Sports, and they had them on sale. And then plus I got a discount too, because I work at, y'all need to know. If y'all watch my videos, y'all know. I'm so glad I could still fit the kids, because I don't mind getting some of the shoes in kids. These look fine. It be the 11s and stuff that I be talking about when I don't be liking it. I be liking the size 7.5 or 8, because they put more detail in it, I guess. The next shoe that I got were these Air Forces. These are tough, I ain't gonna lie. I wore them once already. I'm sorry I'm touching the bottom, but it is what it is. Yeah. These Air Forces are tough. They got the green. I like the little hint of green too. Like, it just reminds me of Caribbean colors. So yeah, these are tough. I got these for a steal as well. JD Sports, so go get y'all some. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. I forgot I had these. I had got these, actually. These dunks, high top dunks. They're, y'all can see the color already, but I don't know what they technically called for real, but yeah, they're just high dunks to me right now. They give me Christmas vibes, or like cherry. I'm gonna say the cherry high top dunks. How about that? But yeah, I like the red bottom as well. But yeah, I just like this shoe, and it was on sale, so I said, let me cop. Why not? So the next shoe I'm about to show is these low top blazers. I got these from Ross as well. How much were they again? I think like $36, I ain't gonna lie. And they were a steal. That's a steal to me. I like the different side, like this part's blue and this part is like a grayish. It might not look like it in the camera. It might look white in the camera, but it's gray. And yeah, it looks real nice. I could wear this with something casual. I just had the cop. These are fire. Yeah. Next. Got these Air Force Ones. I got a lot of Air Forces this time around because I don't be getting them like that. And different color ones I don't get, but I really like these colors. They just different to me. Yeah, the other shoe looks the same. I would show both shoes if they look different, but yeah. This is tough. Let me know if in the comments that you don't like them and they should have did something different with it, but I like it. It's just colorful. And I don't got colorful shoes, so why not get these? Feel me, next shoe. Next shoe are these Air Force Ones. Again. And these ones got a blue bottom and a blue inside. But I really like these. I really like these. These are fire. I got me and my girlfriend some. Hers is over there. But yo, we both got a pair. And we fire. Yes, sir. So I have a couple other things that I still want to show y'all too. Even though the shoes is finished, I'm about to show y'all these real quick. So I got some Nike socks. These are fire. They're different colors. My girlfriend's gonna have one side. I'm gonna have the other side. Yeah, on some slay shit. Y'all probably like, this can fit you? Yeah, it's stretchy. It can fit me. Look at my hands. They're not that big. But yeah, Nike socks. So listen. I'm not a Lakers fan. And I probably will never wear this hat. Or I might wear it. On a good day, I'll probably wear it. But I'm not a Lakers fan. But I just really like the hat because first off, original price is $60. I got it from where? Burlington Coat Factory for $12.99. So I had a cop. Y'all could probably already see it. Look. But yeah, it's a Lakers hat. It got 17 times. Even though Boston is 17 times too. Don't play with them. That's my home team, Boston Celtics. But I wanted a cop because it's nice. I did look for a Boston one, but it was not there. So I copped this one. And look, the back has all the dates that they won the finals. If this was a Boston hat, this would be raw. This would be so fucking raw. But I still had a cop because $60 to $12.99. It's a must cop. Even if you don't even, I like the Lakers though, but it's just not like, for me, that's not my team. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all like the on-foot review, and I also hope y'all like the pickups. Let me know in the comments down below, and let me know if y'all want me to pick up anything else or do this over again type shit when I get more sneakers. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Keep subscribing. I keep telling y'all to subscribe. My 600 subscriber, they gonna get something. My 600 subscribers, they gonna get something. And let me know. Whoever's getting my most watch hours, they gonna get something too. But y'all gotta send it to me. So just let me know. And yeah, we out here. It's KG Entertainment, and we out here, man.
On a party, but I do not want her. Moment of silence for my niggas that ain't here with me. For them saluting, throw your bottoms in the air, nigga. Throw your bottoms in the air and take a shot. And it's CEE and let it burn.